Here's how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Support code SS06 usually means Snapchat temporarily locked your account due to suspicious activity, VPN usage, or too many login attempts. First, turn off any VPN, proxy, or third-party network apps. Snapchat can block accounts if it detects masked IP addresses. In most cases, SS06 is a temporary lock. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours before trying to log in again. Make sure you're using the official Snapchat app from the App Store or Play Store. Delete any modified or third-party apps. Once you can log in, go to Settings. Verify your phone number and email address to secure your account. Open a browser and go to accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. Log in and request an account unlock. Don't keep logging in repeatedly. Too many attempts can extend the lock. If your account was permanently locked due to serious violations, SS06 cannot be fixed, and the account cannot be recovered. To avoid SS06 in the future, don't add too many friends quickly, avoid automation apps, and don't use VPNs. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Subscribe for more Snapchat and phone tips.